Namaskaram, all of you. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I want to talk about nature. Being with nature helps us to grow spiritually, mentally, and physically. The more we are far away from nature, the more miserable we become. And the more we are close with the nature, the more happier we become. So, it is very important. We are always in connection with nature. To lead a healthy life, we have to be in tune with nature. So, I request everybody, and especially parents, you please take care of your children. At least once in a month, you take them to nearby villages or nearby nature friendly atmosphere. If you want your children to grow properly in a healthy way, it is very important that they are exposed to nature friendly atmosphere. I request all the school managements and college managements also, you please create nature friendly atmosphere in your place. Thank you very much. Take care.